Hello, friends. I'm writer director C.S. Nag with Indian Renaissance. It has well and truly been said that a thing of beauty is a joy forever, and that beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. But what if the beholder, the artist, were to lose his precious gift of eyesight, which we so often take for granted that we forget and ignore the beauty of nature and people all around us. And that is why in today's episode number 5, we thought we would share with you this heroic story of Bendre Hussain award-winning artist Professor Tuka Jadhav, formerly of SNDT Women's University, who has overcome the catastrophic loss of his eyesight to retinopigmentosa, an incurable hereditary condition, to paint again and to teach art to a new generation of students. It is based on my book and documentary, Spark in the Dark, which is a poetic vision of Tuka's journey from darkness to light, like fireflies in the night.
डोईवरी तेजोवलयी किरणे झेलीत अंधार तुडवीत चालल संचितांचे पूर्वाशीर्वादे पाठीवरी ओझे वाढवीत चाल ठाव घेता घेता ना तुझा ठाव ठिकाणा दारी अंधार ही अंधार सारा डोईवरी तेजोवलयी किरणे झेलीत अंधार तुडवीत चाललो मी संचितांचे पूर्वाशीर्वादे पाठीवरी ओझे वाढवीत चाललो ऐकले न ऐकले मैलोन मैलातली अर्थ किंकाळी क्रांतीचे काजवे धुंडीत चाललो मी ठाव घेता घेता ना तुझा ठाव ठिकाणा दारी अंधार ही अंधार सारा
Tuka Jadhav was engulfed by darkness and despair when he lost his eyesight. Rangdeep is the story of an artist's voyage of self-discovery to find his inner light of insight, to reclaim his lost world of beauty and color.
अजंठा आणि वेरूळची कला ही माझ्या कला जीवनाची रोहिणी आणि नीला मानतो. मी त्यांचा सखोल अभ्यास करून असंख्य रेखाटने बनवली. त्यावेळे मला असं वाटलं की अद्वितीय कलाकृती कॉपी करून माझी चित्रपद्धती विकसित होणार नाही. मी माझं स्केचबुक वाघोरी नदीमध्ये टाकून दिलं. पाण्यात उमटलेल्या स्केचबुकचे तरंग मी पाहतच राहिलो आणि माझ्या डोळ्यात पाणी वाहू लागलं. गहिवरून गेलो. जीवनधारा एक प्रवाह आहे आणि त्याचाच मी ठाव घेतो आहे. हा प्रवाह मी रंगरूपात आविष्कृत करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो आहे. मायावर विजय संपादन करणाराच महान प्रतिभावंत बनू शकतो.
Born in 1957 in the small village of Raulasgaon in Beed district of Aurangabad, he was named after the Saint Tukaram and was a child prodigy. From his mother's barley paintings, he discovered the magic alchemy of colors. As a poor schoolboy, the World Heritage Sites of Ajanta Ellora became his nursery. Overcoming drought and famine, Tuka came to the JJ School of Art in Mumbai, where his talent was nurtured by Dean Sambhaji Kadam and others. Tuka fulfilled his promise by winning the prestigious Bendre Hussain Award of the Mumbai Art Society in its centenary year in 1989. But just as his sun was reaching its zenith, there came the darkness of the eclipse. Tuka began to lose his vision to a hereditary problem called retinopigmentosa. In the 20 years since then, Tuka has lost nearly 90% of his eyesight, but he still continues to explore new frontiers of abstract art illuminated by his inner vision of insight. Tuka's progression from his earliest sketches to graphics, portraits, figuratives, and abstracts is a fascinating mosaic of his evolution as an artist. The seed has become a singing tree.
अंधारातूनच माणूस दिव्य ज्योती बनतो. त्यातच त्याचं पुनर्जगणं अंकुर. मी माझ्या कल्पनेच्या दृष्टीतून जगाला पाहू लागतो. यातच मला सृजन करणं आनंद देतो. डोईवरी तेजोवलयी किरणे झेलीत अंधार तुडवीत चालल. संचितांचे पूर्वाशीर्वादे पाठीवरी ओझे वाढवीत चाल. ठाव घेता
Traveling with Tuka, I had to marvel at how well he used his sharp instincts, his keen sense of hearing, his sixth sense, and the 10% peripheral vision left to him to not only cope with reality and obstacles in his way, but to paint as well. One day, on his farm in Raulasgaon, I saw a beautiful rainbow hovering over the head of his sister-in-law, plucking cotton in the fields, and I pointed it out to him. We stood looking at it for a long time in awe and wonder. And the idea of a painting and film flashed across our mind as I took a picture of it. I called it Rainbow Flower. being from Beed district in Aurangabad division, the World Heritage Buddhist site of Ajanta was like a pilgrimage site for Tuka. When we went there, we were so inspired by it that we conceived another painting and film called Song of the Waghori, sung by a koel perched on a tree on the banks of the Waghori river. being a poet and Sanskrit scholar, Tuka was receptive to Saint Jnaneshwar's philosophy. We often discussed Jnaneshwar's Vedic concepts of Advait and the observer and observed, and the blissful eternal spirit of Vatesu, which we were both privileged to have a revelation of at Simagad one day.
राहिले निवांत एक रूप तत्व देखिले गे माये मी माझे मोहित राहिले निवांत एक रूप तत्व देखिले गे माये देखिले गे माये देखिले गे माये मी माझे मोहित राहिले निवांत एक रूप तत्व देखिले गे माये द्वैताच्या गोष्टी हारपल्या शेवटी विश्वरूपे मिठी देत हरी देखिले गे माये देखिले गे माये देखिले गे माये देखिले गे माझे मोहित राहिले निवांत एक रूप तत्व देखिले गे माये छाया माया काया छाया माया काया छाया माया काया हरि रूपी हरि रूपी ठाई चिंतिता विलया एकते जी चिंतिता विलया एकते जी देखिले गे माये देखिले गे माये देखिले गे माये देखिले गे माये मी माझे मोहित राहिले निवांत एक रूप तत्व देखिले गे माये ज्ञान देवा देवा पाहा सोहम भावा ज्ञान देवा पाहा ओहम सोहम भावा हरि रूपी दुहा सर्व देखिलेगे माए देखिलेगे माए देखिलेगे माए देखिलेगे माए मी माझे मोहित राहिले निवांत एक रूप सर्व देखिलेगे माए.
As I traveled with Tuka to attend a UGC workshop on art and music in the ancient and holy cities of Banaras and Allahabad, the three primary colors of painting and music came together in the spirit of harmony, which is the spirit of incredible India that we all love and cherish and share together. Jai Hind.